Welcome back to my channel. So here is Sandya Sandra again. Today I'm up to with another video. So actually today I'm not going to do any crafts or prank or doing any video with my sister. So actually today I have to plan to give you some ideas for YouTube ideas. So I'm going to give you top 50 YouTube ideas. So actually why I'm giving this means usually for the beginners it's big decision. Big confusion for them how to do which video they can do. So it's a big confusion. So I'm going to help you. So I'm going to give 5 top 50 ideas from my opinion. So let's see what are those 50 ideas. Before going to video, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video and share the video and turn on the post notification bell. So let's see what are the top 50s. Actually, I just type on my MacBook and I just print up. And then if you want, you can make it just like checklist. So actually, I made it on numbers. If you have a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, you can do it on numbers. Or if you don't have, or you're just having Android, just like that, so you can use on Microsoft. So I just print out. Actually, I just add on some colors. Actually, you can see this. So actually, it will be help because the checklist when you done, or you can when you type and print it, you can just stick around here. And when you done a video from this, you can just take. So it will be easy for you and simple for you. So actually, I have top 50. I'm going to share with you and share with you what are the top 50s. So actually, the first is about I'm giving you. I just started with something next line on the chart. So actually the first idea is room tour. So actually usually everyone has their own room, or maybe they have room with their brother or sister. So maybe you have a room, so you can give a room tour. It will be interesting and fun, and you can, if you have some secret, it will be entertaining for you. So you can give on a room tour. So what about the next? Actually the next is you can give your house tour. If your house small or big, that's no problem. If the house small, you can just finish within minutes. If it's big, it's difficult, right? But it would be interesting and it take a long time and it would be very fun while you taking your house tour. You can introduce your family members while your house tour also. So the next is desk tour. Usually in your room you have a table or desk, so you can give a tour also. It's very easy. So it will be up to 5 minutes. It will be lower than 10 minutes. It will be easy. You can take it in one shot. So but the next idea you can do on a prank. So I have 3 types of pranks. That one's 3 ideas. You can prank your family members. You can prank your siblings. The family and the siblings are same. So you can prank your friends and you can prank someone at the public. So these 3 types are 3 ideas. So this could be fun. Prank your family, prank your cousins, and prank the publics. So about the next is it's very challenging video. You need to do and you have to tell the truth. You must be guessed that truth or dare. This is the very simple ideas that you need to do the dare. It must be tricky and will entertain you. If you have a tricky sound or some interesting task. For those if you don't have any truth or dare to write, you can just search on the Google truth or dare ideas. You will get top 50 or something. You get some more. So at the next makeup challenge is useful for girls. Actually, usually girls love the makeup challenge. So usually they do with their sister. Actually, on my previous video, I have my little cousin sister had to do for me makeup. It goes terribly, but it's nice quite. But she messed up my lips. But anyways, okay. So you can do on the makeup challenge. So the next. So you can do the next idea is you can do blindfolded shopping. So how blindfolded? You need to just tie on your eye with something cloth or anything. So then you need to touch something. If whatever they touch, you need to buy. That is blindfold shopping. Sometimes it could be very interesting. Sometimes it could be so dumb. but mostly it will be so interesting. You can see such as YouTube YouTubers such as Brand Rivera, like Rivera, they have duo. It's very interesting. So the next is also blindfolded. You need to do your slime with blindfolded. So you can't guess what are the things you're taking. If sometimes you the colors will be tricky. Sometimes you will get brown, but you hope for a blue. Sometimes you forget to add on the glue, but if it's a big bottle of glue, it will be easy to identify. So this also could be challenging blindfolded slime making. So the next is twin telepathy challenge. Twin telepathy challenge. Actually, this also something interesting. So while this you can do, this is the twin telepathy challenge as making ice blended, as making slime. Also again, you can do anything as with but twin you can add with your sister or family or someone. You can do with your boyfriends or cousins or friends. You can do with anyone. So the next is DIY bracelet. This is also for girls. Actually, you can, if you have many type of bracelets and you have beads and everything, if you have all the things, different kind and many things for the bracelet, you can make do bracelet. DIY bracelet challenge. You can make with your sister. Usually you can do with your sister or mommy or friends or siblings. Siblings is sister. So you can do with the siblings or someone. So the next is morning routine. So it's very interesting idea. So you can share your morning routine. How do you do your morning routine? You can share with the public. You can share with your YouTube viewers. So if they do not share, so if they plan to make a perfect routine, if yours correct, they will love your routine. How about the next is normally the night routine. So night routine also the most important. So you can make that also, it will be interesting and fun and fun. If you do very interesting, it will be interesting. If you sometimes it will be so dumb. So the next is, so you can do a day with my sister, my cousins, my family or someone. So you can do with that, or you can do a day with my puppy. It's very could be interesting, a day with, because you're going to share with the viewers how do you spend a day with someone. So it's really like that. And the next, win $1,000 challenge. It will be so fun. You will just like best pranks win $1,000 or $10,000 challenge. Or lastly $10,000. Just like more ideas, you can search up any YouTubers, so you can get this. And the next you can do. So the next is decoration. While the Easter eggs, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving. So while you always decorate your houses, so you can share that idea also with the viewers. So it will be helpful for them. So that's all. So next time on my dance. So next is dance challenge. So you can have a dance battle with your siblings, cousins, with your family. It could be very very interesting, because I had with my sister, but it's the most terrible dance I ever had. But anyways, let's see the next one. The next is baking cake. So sometimes nowadays baking cake, while it's quarantine time, they can bake cakes and enjoy. So you can give them some ideas, because somebody is telling how to bake a cake. It's funny, but it's true. So you can help them while your video will get popular while you cooking. It's cooking. Cooking is the most popular on YouTube also. So it could be very interesting. So I hope it will be very helpful for your viewers of they don't know who don't know to cook. It will be very very interesting. I hope this will be very interesting. The baking or something cooking, any cooking challenge, or you can make on a challenge also. Or you can how to cook, how to bake. You can teach how to make frosting. Could be very very interesting. So let's see the next. It's MAC Cosmetics makeup. Actually, I love MAC Cosmetics. Or if you have a channel brand full of cosmetics, actually I'm having full brand of MAC Cosmetics. So I will like to do a challenge. So you can do a challenge with any makeup brands. So actually you can use your channel any brand kinda. You can use for your makeup challenge. You can just add on the brand name and just challenge. It will be very interesting, and you can add on the challenge just like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That's like it's really fun. So let's see. So the next idea is pack with me. So while you're going on a tour, just like you're going to Canada, are you going to USA, you're going to UK, you're going to Europe, or somewhere on the planet. So you can teach how, not kid, you can share your ideas how to pack while you're going a tour. It will be useful for them also. So you can give some tips while you're packing with me. So this is the video. Helpful tips for your viewers. The next, when you pack, you will go somewhere. So it will be must you go on a tour. So you can make a tour vlog also. It will be very interesting for your viewers if they like, oh, else someone if don't know Canada, how's Canada? They don't know it's Canada interesting. Oh damn. So maybe Canada, if you guys can show on them how was Canada, you can show the place. It will be make interested. So they also will plan to go sometimes. If you show them where you're going, it will make them interesting. So let's see next. Things I can live without. So actually things I can live without. I'm not going to share this, I'll make on a video for it. So actually things I can live without. You can do it for also. If you sometimes you have a fan, they will love this because they can know but you know things you can live without. Or your friends, you have ever never tell about things you can live without. So they know here how which things you can live without. Maybe the things, if you have things, you just tell the things. Maybe they will just surprise your birthday with things that you can live without. Fun also. So the next, answer the questions. So while you have Instagram, social media, so you have more followers than 500, you can ask them and type something you just can add on, ask questions. So you can answer your Instagram questions on the YouTube. So it will be fun, and you can sometimes tell a secret. Like Tutor, that you need to tell the truth. So the next is top on my 21st video. Introduce yourself. So actually you need to introduce yourself, but sometimes they don't know about you something, anything also. I also actually do my last video about get to know me about me. It's just a short video, just adding more pictures. So you can tell about yourself. Maybe there also must be a secret. It could be interesting. Introduce about yourself, and it will be something kind of different. Actually, everyone do that. While you start your channel, everyone do the introduce about yourself. So it never means if you never do it in the first, you can do it in the middle also. So it will be fun. So I already finished my 25 video ideas. So guys, this is my actually I'm going to do part 2 parts. Actually this is the part 1, top 50 YouTube ideas. So the next 25 ideas I'll be doing on my part 2. So I'm having 2 parts for my top 50 YouTube ideas. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. So let's see on my next part 2. I hope you could like my video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm doing this part 2 also on today next. So let's see what are the extras. The top 25 next. So let's see what are the